Hi Sam, how are you?
Hi Alex. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Not bad. I had a long day.
What did you do?
I worked, I made dinner, and I walked the dog.
That is really a busy day. What did you make for dinner?
Just pasta. I didn't have much time.
Did you see that movie I told you about?
Yes. I saw it last night.
And? Did you like it?
I did. It was really funny.
I know. I want to watch it again.
Let's do it this weekend.
Sounds good. Do you want to come over to my house?
Sure. Should I bring anything?
You can bring some popcorn.
Okay. See you soon.